Welcome back to Expert Crypto, guys. We're going to be the best channel on crypto, and I want you guys to know that we went through a little bit of a retracement. This is just a consolidation zone, guys. This is just a consolidation zone. A lot of people are like, the bear market is here. The bear market is here, guys. Do not worry. We do not care. Okay, we're emotionless, and I told you guys to take some profits. Bitcoin's just been bouncing off the support level. And we've seen this happen multiple times. Nothing to worry about, guys. Nothing to worry about. We're going to see everything pump up once we have another breakout. And we might not even be at the end of this dip. There's a very good chance that we could hit around 53,000 and then bounce up from there. I'm going to show you guys the Bitcoin graph, but we're going to go into that real quick. I'm going to make this a shorter stream. We're just going to get through information really quick on this one. All right, so here we guys go. All right, so let's look at it from a far perspective, right? This is the year that we've had. Look at the volatility, all right? Look at the volatility that we've had in the markets. I mean, this is nothing out of the ordinary to have a little bit of a dip like today. This is why we take profits, guys. We're in a bull market. Bull markets are extremely volatile in crypto. We always have to be taking profits and then buying on these little dips. Always pay attention to Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing right now? So what we see with Bitcoin, we're up 16%, guys. We're still up 16% from that major dip. We're actually up 15% now. So what I see is we could hit this 53 level. There's a good chance we could, because if you guys look really closely, we can see that this is a very hard support for 53, and it is looking like it's on a little bit of a retracement. We'll have to see. But I could see that happening if it does not go to the 53 level. It might go to 54 and then bounce off of that. If you guys see it drop below 53 or 52, we'll go from there, but I don't see that happening. I more see it either going up from this level or dropping down to 53 and then bouncing back up. That's my main thesis. And we are in kind of a little volatile market, and you guys have to understand that we're in crypto. It is volatile, and that's why you take profits, especially on these short-term gains that you guys have gotten. And things are going to be getting a lot better soon. We are in the phase of reaccumulation and consolidation. We're getting ready for the next breakout. What are we gonna do for this next breakout, guys? Well, what's the plan? Well, the plan is, obviously, we've been taking profits, and we're really looking for this ETH breakout as well. Let me go to the Ethereum graph, because once Bitcoin bounces off this level, we're definitely going to see Ethereum take off as well. Ethereum has just been following Bitcoin quite a lot, guys. It really has. Ethereum really has been following Bitcoin. So what do we see with Ethereum, guys? What do we see with Ethereum? We see it still staying in this channel. Right now we're at a 3,400 Ethereum, and it's been literally just consolidating, and I see it bouncing off of this, right? We do have another support level around 3,200 for Ethereum. Put that in there. There we go. So we do have a 3,200, but I'm putting the 3,400 in there. Here's the other zone that we have, and you guys have to understand, these dips sometimes happen. It's going to go down 3 or 4, maybe 5%, and then we're going to have a little bounce off. But the stock RSI is looking good for Ethereum right now. Just throwing that out there. We've had quite the run up in the market lately, and when we have these large run ups, there's going to be people taking profits, especially with the dip that we just had in Bitcoin not too long ago, guys. So when you guys see these dips, when you guys really understands how the market moves, how the market reacts. I mean, we had this 27% dip. People are just getting back into profits right now. We had this other dip as well. People are scared. People are going to be taking profits very early once they are in profit. And that's what we do, and then we buy the dips. It's not too hard of a strategy, especially during a bull market right now. I don't see this bull market ending for at least another month or two. And want to know what we're going to do? We're going to make as much profits as we can. So let me go to the ETC graph, okay? We're going to be looking at ETC versus Ethereum. And I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm looking at right here. So we have it topping off right now at 0.36 with Ethereum. And if you guys look at the past few years with ETC, what did I say? Once it broke out of this little zone right here, it was going to absolutely take off. I believe I said around 2-3. And guys, look what we had. We had a 240% run up, guys. We had actually we had a 300% run up. It did hit the 400% if I go back there. I believe it was right here. Let me show you guys. I said I was going to hit the 400. I did. And yep, guys, look at 438%. I said that was very likely to happen. And then we had this other zone around 700. I do see it breaking that $700 zone. Let me zoom in some more so you guys could see better. Sorry. So I do see ETC. We said around down here. Here, a better thing on it. We said that can't get it, guys. Where was it? That one. Here we go. All right, so it went up, I believe 300 to 400%, and then we had a little retracement. That's nothing abnormal, guys. That's nothing abnormal. Look at these candlesticks when we had this last run up in early January, guys. I do see another candle coming in soon. We have been bullish, guys. Look at this trend. I'm going to circle it out for you guys. Look what's happening, right? We kind of have the same sort of movement. We have the large candlestick, right? We saw the large candlestick, and now I do think we're going to be able to push to higher highs with this. And I really do see this going up probably another 40% from here. Should be around 54. Let me put a little thing around 54. All right, so around 54, I do see that being the next support level, guys. I do see that being a support level for ETC. If it breaks out of that, we know that we're in kind of all-time high territories, and it is looking very unknown from there. So once it breaks out of that 54 range, we're probably going to be selling around 50 to 60% of our ETC whenever that happens. So that would mean that we would have a 43% run up against Ethereum Classic. I did not expect for it to really run off that quickly without Ethereum running off that quickly. And that's going to be the next support level because we're looking at this past trend. And we just need to see what Ethereum's really going to do. Times have changed since then. So we'll need to see. I still see selling 50% off is not a bad move when you guys are that much in profit. And there's going to be other alts pumping when Ethereum Classic does have that upwards movement. So there's Ethereum Classic right there. And let's go over the overall market. We had Quantum. Quantum pumped up almost 90% today. It was over 100% at one point for a little bit. People sold off. And what we're seeing with Quantum right now is we're seeing a lot of momentum kind of slowing down just because of what happened with Bitcoin. Today, that little micro dip, that little reconsolidation zone, I mean, that happens, guys. The bears are kind of creating a sell wall around, let me go to BTC. I don't have it up. But there's a sell wall really close to I believe it's 55 for Bitcoin to 56, and we're seeing that sell wall prevail a little bit, and it just needs to break through there. We're probably going to see some low volume tonight, so tomorrow morning we'll probably see a dip or a breakout. We'll need to really see about that. I do see 52 being a very possible breakout zone for Bitcoin unless it breaks out from where it's at right now. So, what else was happening in the market today? Not really much, guys. We're in altcoin season. You see how much Bitcoin is down today? Look at these gains that are still here, guys. Look at these gains that are still happening, right? So much green in the market. You guys cannot be complaining. This is where you guys have your profits, and you're gonna buy some now. Once Bitcoin, if it goes down to 52, you guys are gonna buy some more. And that's going to be the next support level, right? So that's really the game plan for me. And I do see a lot of people following that as well because we really talk, we really network, guys, and we're trying to find really the best opinion on where the market's moving. We always need to look for where it's trending. And I really want to let you guys know that we've made a lot of profits over the past week. If you guys do not have Ethereum or you guys do not have any stable coins right now, this is a little lesson, guys. You guys need to be doing this during this bull cycle and during altcoin season. I'm gonna go back to 2018 Bitcoin, guys. 2018 Bitcoin. All right. So yeah, there's a little ADA chart. Also, yeah, Bitcoin dominance, guys. It's coming back a little bit, right? We had a little retracement upwards. Let's go look at Bitcoin from 2017. Go 5 years. All right, so we're all the way back in 2017. Right, let me show you how volatile Bitcoin was. These candles aren't big enough. But we really did when we were having this run up, guys. When we were having this run up, back in 2017, we saw an insane amount of volatility. We had dips literally every other day. There was a dip in the market. Let me see if it'll show. Sorry about this, guys. Here we go. This is just the 1 day candles, but we saw a lot of dips, guys. We saw a lot of dips in 2017, before we really hit all-time highs. And I do see the same thing playing out in this altcoin season, guys. In this altcoin season, we're going to be seeing a lot of dips. You guys really need to make sure to drink some coffee and really follow me on this game plan. You guys should make your own game plan too. But at the same time, use these past trends. It's psychology. This is what people do when they're in profit and they had a dip not too long ago. They get a little bit scared, they get a little bit skittish, and they're going to sell off a lot, and they're going to wait for the next dip. We've been doing the strategy that you guys need to be doing from the start. We're selling off. We're taking these profits. I've been through 2017. I've been through a bear market. I'm pretty knowledgeable when it comes to what the heck you guys need to freaking do during this market, right? I've been hitting it kind of spot on the past couple weeks, and you guys need to be preparing for dips. That's the main point I'm trying to get across. And it's kind of takes a lot of effort, a lot of time, but you know what? It's your money. You want to invest your money the best way you can. I find with myself, the best way for me to invest my money back in 2017 was to really sell off when these dips happened, and to get before these dips. All right, when we were reaching all-time highs, when we're reaching higher highs, let's go look at higher highs, guys. Let's go look at higher highs. All right, so back in 2017, look at every time we hit a higher high, right? Here's a higher high right here, okay? And here's an even higher high, right? Once we hit higher highs, we saw sell-offs. Look at sell-off, sell-off, higher high, sell-off, sell-off, higher high, sell-off, 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 higher high, sell-off, sell-off, sell-off. That's what you see in a bear market. That's a bear market trend right there. When the market is bearish, you guys will see these sell-offs happening once we hit this higher high. And we're kind of seeing that trend right now. But if it breaks out, we're in the golden zone, guys. We just need to see if it dips below 52. We might be shorting the market, but I'm not trying to scare you guys, but facts are facts. And I do want to let you guys know, I'm going to let you guys know the honest truth, okay? 6% of institutional money is in crypto. All right, so everyone that's screaming crypto adoption, 6% of institutional money is the market cap in crypto. Only 6%, guys. Take that into accountability when you really think crypto is fully adopted by all these institutions, okay? It's not yet. These people just love to not read into news articles and not love statistics. We're emotional, okay? We'll read that news article and we'll be like, what the heck? All right, we don't care. We want numbers, and that's what you guys have to do. We want numbers. We don't want these institutional adoption. What do you mean institutional adoption? What is this volatility doing here? If it was institutional adoption, right? If it was 50% institutional adoption, right? We would see a lot different trends in the market. A lot less volatility, a lot less gains to be made. All right, but we're going to be looking at look at the higher highs trend in the past day, and every time we've hit this higher high, look at guys, we've had a dip. We hit a higher high, we had a dip. You guys can really see these trends. It's a very easy tactic to tell Bitcoin on the daily chart. Let me go to the 4-hour chart too. 4-hour chart does look good for the higher highs trend. All right, if you guys just need to pick up on these trends, really look for support levels, really look for where the market is moving. If we hit that higher high, which is around 58,000, I expect to push down. And I am bullish on the market, but a lot of people are not using technical analysis and psychology. A lot of people have been down in profit, guys. A lot of people, they've been on this little roller coaster ride, and they've been seeing these gains, and then they've been losing these gains, and they've been seeing these gains, and then they've been losing them. They're like, want to know what? I'm gonna sell once I'm up. And we've been doing that the entire time, and I really want to get that across to you guys that that is the way. A lot of people might not stress that, but traders make the most money in crypto. That's just facts. It's not opinions. I know that. All right, I know that. But hope you guys are having a great day, great night, by the way. So make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Yeah, there we go. We got to do a little shill every once in a while, guys. I'm in a great mood, by the way. Just need some caffeine. Got a little bit of a headache, low sleep. Too much trading, guys. Too much trading. Too much profits. Too much moving money around and stuff. Okay, but we have Ethereum Classic. Had to go to the bank today, guys. Hate the banks. We're all decentralized here, guys. We're not trying to go to the banks ever again. Literally had to wait 3 hours, guys. 3 hours at the bank today for no freaking reason. Just because they're slow and they can't do multiple things at once. Yeah, I can't even believe, why do you even have to go to a bank, guys? Why? Doesn't make sense. I hate going to the bank. But really with Ethereum Classic, like I said, we had that huge run up against Ethereum, huge run up. And really what we're looking for right now, I'm just going to go through this one more time with you guys, all right? But what I need to really get this point across about Ethereum Classic, okay? We need to be holding and buying Ethereum Classic over the next, if we have a bear market, we're going to buy some Ethereum Classic. Because once Ethereum gets mined, okay, once Ethereum gets mined and there's not as much use case for Ethereum, they're not really bringing in revenue. Yes, they are to an extent, but they're going to be already set up and running. And the thing with Ethereum Classic is they're mineable, guys. You've seen Ravencoin have that huge run up, but it wasn't connected to really anything. I'm just saying that. They're mineable, okay? But Ethereum Classic is mineable. And it's also on grayscale, okay? My friend's dad bought Ethereum Classic, by the way, 3 months ago. Thought he bought Ethereum, and he's up 800%. Or he's up, I believe, like 1,200%. More than that, I don't know. But funny story, guys, funny story. He thought he was buying Ethereum, bought Ethereum Classic, and was like, whoa, Ethereum's up 1,200%. It's funny, it's funny. Yeah. But you guys really got to be selling once we really have those pushes. If you guys are up 50, 80, 100%, why aren't you selling? Why aren't you taking profits? Why do you think this thing's going to moonshot? All right? Yeah, it might hit 250. Yeah, it might hit 300, but that doesn't mean hold the entire time. Don't be really chasing all these profits. Don't be greedy. We don't chase money, and that's why we're successful. I need to do more strategy videos to really get this at you. I'm not trying to yell at you guys. I'm just trying to really throw some passion into it. I'm just trying to help you guys. I had a great day today. How was your guys' day? Post in the comments. Editor, go respond to them. I'll look at it in a second, but how was your day today? I'm wondering, guys. Look at this cake, guys. Look at cake sell off. We're on the 1 week chart. Whoops. Look at this cake drop, guys. Look at these higher highs, right? I mean, higher lows, I guess you could say. Higher lows, right? Higher lows, whatever you want to say. But look, it looks like it's going to break out. Every time we've had these higher lows, right? We're going to see that one higher high, and then we're going to have a huge breakout, guys. We're going to have a huge breakout with cake. And I do see that happening in the short term. This is a trend you guys got to pick out on. I'm going to circle it for you just so you guys can really see it, right? So here's our last one. Now we have this one. We have this one. We have this one. Then we have, this is the first higher high, right? Here's the second higher high. We had a little dip there, doesn't really matter. And then we had this. We had this. And this is all dependent on Bitcoin, guys. This is all dependent on Bitcoin. And then we had our first higher low. Higher low. Higher low. And what you guys really need to be doing is you guys need to buy the higher lows, okay? The higher lows are where you're going to make the most money if it's on a good support level. 35 is an amazing support level, guys. Look at the support level on this one. Look what it's touching. Cake is a great buy right now, especially with what they have. Yes, it wicked down, but it wasn't for too long. I have been acquiring some more cake, guys. That was a buy that I did today. Definitely wait for these higher lows. I do not buy unless the time looks right. I'm just not like, oh, it's down 8%. You guys gotta look at the TA, the technical analysis. I will do a whole entire video on it tomorrow. I'm gonna try and probably do that and just live stream it maybe and just give you guys all the info on it. And I'm probably just gonna make a video. I want it to be like official. If I'm gonna make a technical analysis video, just so I'm not rambling or anything. So HDR as well, guys. The sell wall on HDR is absolutely unbelievable. It's unbelievable, guys. The KuCoin bots are striking on HDR. There's millions and millions of dollars on the sell wall. Very, very annoying, guys. Very annoying. We hit the 5.4. There was like $10 million on the sell wall. And we really need to see the sell wall get destroyed. But there is a very good thing that you guys have to understand. By next cycle, guys, next cycle, HDR will be $100 guaranteed. Within like 2 years from now, I guarantee you HDR will be $100. And what makes me say that? Because they're unstoppable once they get on more exchanges, and once they really get everything put together. I'm just not having as much faith as I did earlier, just because of their sell bot on KuCoin, guys. They need another exchange. KuCoin can be so easily manipulated. This is a very known fact, guys. KuCoin manipulation is a thing, and it's just whales manipulating the price to make gains off of these retail investors. And I thought it was going to be able to break, but it wasn't. It wasn't. Fair enough, whales. So, and they were large wallets, guys. They were large wallets. Like not 7-figure, like 9-figure wallets. Let's go to FTM. We did hit this buy zone here, and we are consolidating. Like look at this consolidation on Hollow, right? When we have a consolidation like this, it's waiting to break out. It's waiting to break out. It's begging to break out, guys, right here. Especially when we had the higher high candlestick right here. This is a new pattern for Hollow. It is looking like it's gonna break out. And this was one of the trades that we got wrong, guys. This is one of the trades that I got wrong. And I believe I've only gotten 2 or 3 trades wrong. At least that's what I've been told. And we're really looking to get this one in profit again, right? We hit our buy zone, and now we're down like 5 or 10%. I did set a stop loss. I would recommend 10% stop loss, just so you guys can get more gains during this bull run. If you go down 10% on a trade, the next one you're gonna get it back. If you don't get it back on that one, the next one you're gonna get it back, and it's gonna be 50% or 60%. This is how this bull market works. We're not gonna be able to get this much of gains normally. Okay, normally you guys won't. And I will get into shorting as well. I do a lot of shorting in the market, and shorting is just as easy as buying. And I'm gonna make it that easy for you guys once I do these tutorial videos, just so we can get in depth on that. Just people don't like the word shorting. It scares people. And you guys really have to understand that. So Telcoin. I do not have my chart on this. I am looking for another breakout with Telcoin, guys. Where is the stock? RSI is looking very bullish. I know that. I do see Telcoin. Let me spin a little bit. I do see Telcoin hitting that 4-5 level. And when it hits the 4-5, we're selling, guys. We're selling. Look at this buy we had, guys. Look at this buy. Look at this support. You guys see this consolidation? See this consolidation? And then boom, guys. And then boom, right? Consolidation, a little bit of a push up. And then this consolidation zone. This shows a very healthy chart right here. I'm not sure if you guys can really see that. There we go. Yeah, look how high it is. We have to go up there to really see it. But look at this consolidation, guys. After a little push up, this is how you know something's about to break out. We see higher high, and then consolidation right here. Especially when you're bullish on something, right, guys? Especially when you're bullish on something. Let me go to the Sol USD. I can't believe Solana hasn't broken out yet. I can't believe it. We did hit this 50 level though. We did hit this 50 level 4 days ago. 4 days ago we hit this 50 level. We're gonna need to break out of this 50 level. The charts aren't looking too good for Solana as of right now. It's not really seeing any consolidation. We just broke through the support level right here. We need to see what happens with that. That is only 400 or 40 cents, but still could break down from there. We'll have to see. That's another trade that we got wrong, by the way. I'm gonna admit to it, guys. I don't care. I normally during a bull market, you guys just gotta wait a few more days and your trades will be right at some point, or you guys will get the next trade right. A lot of people called out Sol on that trade. Wasn't the only one. This was one of my my favorite Sushi versus Bitcoin, guys. Sushi versus Bitcoin. Sushi is not relying on Bitcoin. Sushi is more reliant on Ethereum, right? When Ethereum's up, Sushi goes up. That's the pairing, I would say, with their price normally. Make sure for you guys to really understand that Sushi is a beast. Sushi is a beast, and one of my favorite dexes. Someone said, yeah, editor said ERSDL. What's up with ERSDL? Check. Down 21%. Looking good. I mean, we saw some consolidation. It dropped, I believe, all the way. Look at this whale sell, guys. Look at this whale sell all the way down to 87. Who wouldn't buy some ERSDL at 87? This thing's gonna go up quite a lot, guys. It's gonna go up quite a lot. I told you guys to sell them, and then on this dip, definitely put some more into them on this dip. But you guys have to be selling when you guys are up 100, 150%, 200%. There's no reason not to. And when something dips like this, as strong as ERSDL, you have to do it. We do sell on this channel. A lot of people stay away from the old sell, but when we're in altcoin season, okay, we're not in phase 3 anymore. I really do believe we're gonna be seeing phase 4. We kind of already have been seeing this phase 4. What do I mean by phase 4? Everything's popping off. We're having small caps, we're having mid caps, we're having high caps, and we haven't seen it. And I feel like no one's really talking about it too much. I mean, there are people, but they're just not on YouTube or not in the public, I guess, or not on Twitter. But we have been talking about it, guys. We have been talking about it. I've been talking about it with a bunch of people. We've seen high caps. We've seen mid caps. We've seen small caps absolutely take off. We're in altcoin season, guys. We're in altcoin season. What else are you expecting? We've had 400% run-ups. We had 500% run-ups on these big caps. I mean, what is this, okay? This doesn't happen in this phase 3, guys. This doesn't happen in phase 3. We're in phase 4 right now. We're in altcoin season. We're in altcoin season. Don't let anyone tell you different, guys. We're in altcoin season right now with this volatility. This is something that you guys have to understand. Altcoin season, we don't see stuff go up 26%. We don't see stuff up 80% in the top 100 when Bitcoin's down. Yeah. Let me go to the questions real quick. Let me look at what you guys are saying. Make sure to smash that like button. Make sure to smash it, guys. Make sure to smash it for this altcoin season. Can you pick your favorite small caps between how much profits? Editor says. Okay. I'll go over FTM, Rainweave in a second, and I'll go over VET, and I will Bitcoin continuing the fall. We said 52 is a support level. But yes, what I'm going to talk about right now, I forgot. You guys are killing me with all these. Oh, how much profits? Yes, how much profits? Sorry about that, editor. All right. So when you guys are up, let's say you're looking at the technical analysis right now. All right, so you guys have to be using TA to see really when to take profits. You guys have to have an exit plan when you enter a trade. When you guys are buying something, you need to look at technical analysis, especially during alt season. Okay, so you see this alt, this BTC Sushi pair, right? Where I'm looking to get this trade at, right? So here's a support level that we're at currently. We see this matching this support level, guys. Look at, you see this? We're matching right there. Oh my gosh, terrible circle, guys. Terrible circle. I just deleted it. But let me show you guys how to take profits properly. So we're seeing this support level, right? We saw the wick out. It could have broken out, but it didn't. And we are consolidating there. If it stays a little bit more of a consolidation, I would hold a little bit more. But what I'm looking for right now is once it breaks that support level right there, I'm gonna take 20. I'm gonna take 20%. I'm gonna take 30%. Around that number. And the next time I'm going to be taking money is when it breaks another major support level. And why are you doing this? Because it's the way, guys. It's the way. Because it can bounce off of this support level downwards, or it can break out. And if it breaks out to the next support level, you take your profits again. And you want to be up around, I would say, 80 to 90% to take a significant chunk. I would say around 40%, 50%. It really matters from alt to alt, though, with exactly how the technical analysis is looking. But with most alts, I would say I probably take profits, or you guys should probably take profits around 100% or 80%, around that, especially what the market is looking like. It's a very tough question, because there's so many different circumstances where you could do something else. And I just need to go deep into it, guys. I need to go deep into it, but you get what I'm saying. There's a lot of circumstances, like what if Bitcoin's pumped up and you want to take profits, and the thing that you own is pumping up and Bitcoin's pumping up, you're probably going to want to hold, right? You're probably going to want to hold. All right, so we're going to go over a Matic price prediction, okay? Okay, editor, we see ya. We see ya, editor. Hello. So we need to see a higher high. Once we see this higher high with Matic, we're going to see a breakout. We're going to see a breakout with Matic. So look at, here's the highest high, right? Here's another low. Here's another low. And then here's a low. And now we're at this consolidation period, right? We're at this consolidation period. And what we're looking for right now is we're either looking, like, look at this trend though. Look how perfect this trend is, right? Drew this trend a while ago. Look how much it's touched. It literally touched it, guys. Touched it. Bounced down. And once it breaks out of this little trend, this is a resistance level, guys. This is what its resistance is, and this is the support level, meaning this is supporting it. I kind of drew this perfectly, guys, right? So this is the support level down here. I'm gonna write S, and then this is the resistance level, R, right? So we're really looking for it to break out of this. Right now it's consolidating. I don't see Matic breaking down here. I don't see that happening. If it does, put in a sell, put in a stop loss, if you guys want. If it breaks out of here, which is around 71 or 70, you guys can do that. I would just buy some more, just because I have allocations and I do see them breaking out, guys. I do see them getting all the way up to around $1.30 short term. And why is that? Matic's ecosystem's too powerful, guys. It's too powerful. This run up right here is nothing. Their TVL level, the run up really should have been to around like 150 to 140. I don't understand that, guys. I don't understand that. I hate charts that are this sloppy. Sorry about this, guys. I'm gonna switch off. But like I said, support, resistance. Find the supports, find the resistance, find the higher highs, find the lower lows, find the support levels, and it's not more complicated than that. You guys have to be looking at volume as well. Let me get the volume. Here we go. Volume's died down, guys. Look at down here. Volume has died down. Once we get the volume pumping again, right? Once we get the volume pumping again, I would say to around this level, we'll see a breakout, right? We'll see a breakout around this level. Look at the green candlesticks right here. Look how high they were to get this large breakout here. We needed to see this little breakout right here. We're looking at the volume. We're looking how that's relating to the breakout as well. That's one of the important things. I'm supposed to say, happy birthday, girls, trade of mind. Happy birthday. Hopefully you're having a great birthday. Hopefully you're learning something, and why don't you go have some fun tonight, or tomorrow. I mean, hopefully this is fun enough for you. But we're really gonna happy birthday. Okay, we're really gonna have some fun tonight, guys. This is a fun night. We're gonna be singing happy birthday and stuff, but we do need to really check those things. I cannot look at this anymore. It's too sloppy, guys. Too sloppy. A little OCD over here. Trying to make things as easy as possible, guys. That's really what I want to do for you guys. I want to make stuff easy, just so you guys can understand it. Then we'll get complex, right, guys? Look how perfectly we hit this though, and then look at this lower lows, guys. A lot of people are extremely bullish on Chainlink. I do see the breakout happening, but right now we're seeing a little consolidation downwards. This could look bullish in some instances, but people are so bullish on Chainlink. When so many people are bullish on one trade, normally it's not the best thing, in my opinion. Like when I find myself bullish on a trade that everyone else is bullish on, I find that literally the success rate is dramatically lower. I'm not sure why that is, but I just think that I just think that the charts are looking too well. If you've been doing crypto longer than a year, and you only, or if you've been doing crypto only a year and you only focus on charts, I know a lot of people that they've been doing crypto for 1 year. They've been very, very successful with charts. They've never been through a bear market. They've never been slapped around. Okay. Yeah, they've been through COVID. That was one thing, man. Everyone did good during COVID, especially with the run-ups after, if you were a trader. But you guys really need to understand that that these bear markets, these dips, are really where you guys are going to make your money from. And we'll talk about the bear market another time. Do not worry about it. I'm sorry for scaring you guys. But I'm going to be going over what was I going to go over? Bet has that 25 level, guys. We have that 25-cent support level. Then we're going to see the breakout. Oh my gosh, I did go over it. FTM, I saw FTM as well. Go over FTM. I really thought we were going to break out here, guys. Look at this candlestick right here. Look at this candlestick. It really did look like a breakout. But if we see a higher high, you see how we did not see a higher high here. We just hit that support level, which our new support level, right, is around 83. Once we break out at 83, we're going to see very good things to come. I mean, we are seeing lower lows though, right? We are seeing lower lows compared to here. So that is looking good. And on FTM, that could really be a breakout from that lower low right there. And I did get the support level very close, guys. I got the support level very close. Look at that. Good to see. Good to see. All right, so we've been streaming for 36 minutes, and so let me answer a few questions, and then we're gonna go. Go. I don't care if you guys have been in crypto 2 weeks. That's why I'm here. I'm trying to really help you guys. Really trying to get you understanding everything. I'm using TradingView. It's completely free. Don't need to pay anything. Too late to buy ETC now. All caps. FOMO. No, I'm kidding. Wait for a little bit of a dip. I would say maybe dollar cost average and do it by multiple times. Oh, dot is looking very, very good on the charts, guys. Dot is looking very good on the charts. It looks like it's gonna break out some more. So does ADA. Thoughts on glitch? We sold a lot because we were up 4x. When you see ETC break tomorrow, we'll need to see the charts, guys. We just need to follow them. If Bitcoin hits 52, we're gonna buy a bunch of ETC because we know that Ethereum's gonna blast off that level or has the chance to, and Bitcoin does as well. I don't see us falling below really that 52 support level. I believe it's 52,300. We just need to wait. So I'm gonna end the stream there, guys. I'm gonna end the stream there. Luna breakout, yes, gonna happen. But I'm gonna end the stream there. Hopefully you guys had a great night. Make sure to enjoy yourselves tonight. Sleep well. I'll let you guys know in the morning. I'm gonna be streaming at 11:30 a.m. EST. So I will stream again then. Have a great day, guys, or great night.